What's good, y'all? We back with Streets, freestyle cooker with Streets. Hope everybody out there is safe, doing their thing, staying healthy. Of course, I'm bringing another great recipe to share with y'all. Real easy, real simple. You know, we about to get it in. So today we gonna do my creamy pasta salad, y'all. Great for barbecues, any event, get-togethers. Uh, if you want another side for dinner, any occasion, y'all. Y'all gonna love this salad. The salad be popping. I make it all the time. You're definitely gonna love it. All right. So we about to go right in and get this started. Let's do it. All right, y'all. On the board, I'm using some cavatappi pasta. If I'm saying that right, you know it's 5-color pasta. I found this in a home goods store. Like, and every time I come across like different pastas or different color pastas, I always like to try them. But you can use any kind of tri-color pasta, different color pasta for this recipe, or just plain old, the whatever pasta you like. You know, you can just go with that. I'm using the cavatappi noodles. I probably only use like I'm gonna cook the whole bag, but I'm probably only gonna need only half of the bag, y'all. I'll save the rest, you know, for another recipe. All right. Also got some beef bacon and some turkey bacon. You know what I mean? You can use whatever bacon you like to use, whatever bacon. I got me some tomatoes. I got me some grape tomatoes. I also had chopped up some tomatoes because I didn't know I had a little bit of grape tomatoes, so I got to cut them up. Got me some mini cucumbers, shallot. Got some shredded carrots, some corn, some broccoli. And I had already got this broccoli bite size ready to eat. If you're using fresh broccoli, you want to blanch your broccoli first because you don't want it to be super crunchy. I also got some green and red bell peppers that I had from another recipe. Got some mozzarella cheese, some Parmesan cheese, you know, freshly grated Parmesan cheese. We about to get it in, y'all. We about to make this pasta and get this thing popping. So first, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and put get my pasta ready. So you'll cook the pasta by the package directions. You know what I'm saying? Pot of water, 8 to 7 minutes till they like al dente. You know, boom, they're ready to go. You take them out the pot, rinse them under cold water. So we're gonna go ahead, get these up in the pot, and start to chop up some of our veggies. All right, I started cutting my veggies up. Started with my cucumbers. I'm gonna go ahead and chop these down into small pieces. Alright. Just like that. You want to do it like that. You know, real easy. This is a real easy recipe, y'all. It takes no time to make. The most time it'll take is, you know, you're waiting on the pasta. You know, we're going to cook the bacon a little bit, but that's it. Alright, my cucumbers is chopped. Ready. Let's do it. Get to my shallot. You don't have no shallots, you know, use, you know, whatever onions you have. But these shallots, I love the flavor of shallots, y'all. Alright, and if you're making a recipe for a barbecue or something like that, you'll use the whole pack. You know, I'm just making enough for the house. So that's how I'm doing it. But you would adjust everything that I'm adding, you know, according to how many people you're feeding or how much salad you're making, okay? So I got me a shallot here. We're going to chop this up. Boom. There we go, y'all. Shallots chopped up. All right, next, I'm gonna cut up the few grape tomatoes that I had. So you'll chop up your tomatoes just like I did. All right, ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and chop these in halves and just throw them in there, y'all, because that's what I had left, something extra. I'm gonna just chop them in halves because it was something extra. Got my pan ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook my bacon. Turn my pan on, let it heat up. Now, you could chop your bacon up and then cook it, but you can chop it up in pieces, then cook it. But I'm gonna go ahead and cook it first. All right, and then chop it up. Yeah, I mean, whichever way, y'all. It doesn't matter, y'all. But I'm telling y'all, this is a real fast recipe. Doesn't take long. Y'all see, I got the bacon flowing, y'all. Let's do it. Getting it nice and crispy. That's what I'm talking about. Nice and crispy. Right, y'all. Bacon is done about the pan. All right, nice and crispy. I just bunch it up all together and just cut it all together, y'all. And chop it up real quick, real smooth. Oh, bacon chopped up. Keep it moving. All right, y'all. Now we got my cavatappi. Now this is half of what I made. I'm gonna save the other half for another recipe because, I'm just making enough for the house. But you'll use the whole package if you're doing it for a barbecue, an event, birthday, any type of occasion. All right. Now from here, it's just simple. We add all the ingredients and keep it moving. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my tomatoes. I'm gonna add my broccoli, shallots. Also add my peppers. Add my corn. Add my shredded carrots. Add my cucumber. Add my bacon. Add my mozzarella cheese. Get my mozzarella cheese up in there, y'all. Next, y'all, add some mushrooms. Had a little bit of mushrooms left over. Gonna throw them in there too, y'all. Y'all can always, man, y'all can freestyle cook with streets, man. Create your own, add whatever veggies y'all love. Do your thing, man. All right. I'm gonna add some of my grated Parmesan cheese. There we go. All right. Next, I'm gonna add some salt. Maybe about a teaspoon of salt, y'all. Salt to taste. Like I said, it all depends on how much you're making. Got some salt up in there. And some black pepper. Also, I'm going to add a little bit of my Creole seasoning. This is optional, but I love this seasoning, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit to it. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix all this up. Mix all my ingredients and veggies, seasonings, mix it all up. Now you see, this is just half a pack. And you see how this is a lot? This will hold us down for a couple of days. But if I made the whole pack, that's like if you like a barbecue, man. Or a party or something like that. There we go. Get it all mixed up nice. Right now, this is where we're about to make it creamy, y'all. Okay. Now, you could use, I'm going to use some sour cream. I got some sour cream. You could use some mayonnaise. Okay. I also got some French dressing, California French style. Whatever kind of French dressing is good to go. But the sour cream will give it a little bit more zesty type of taste than just regular mayonnaise. But if you don't got no sour cream, use mayonnaise. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and get my sour cream up in there. Alright. That might be a third of a cup, maybe a little more. But like I said, it all depends on how much you making. So I'm gonna go ahead and incorporate this in here. Get my sour cream flowing. Oh yeah, y'all. Told y'all gonna love this pasta salad, man. This is a different spin on the pasta salad. A lot of people like to make their pasta salad with the Italian dressing, uh, you know, the Italian style flow. With the ham and the, um, like everything that goes in like a Italian hoagie, y'all. Basically, but in a salad. All right, so we got that sour cream all mixed up in there. Now I'm gonna add my French dressing. There we go. There, I would say, like maybe a half a cup. Like I said, I'm not making a whole lot, but as y'all can see in my chef pot, this thing is husky, and that's just half a pack, y'all. I told y'all, just half a pack. And I did let my noodles go past the time because I was still prepping. Were they a little bit husky? Were they a little bit, big and fat? But that's all good. Still works out. So I could have even cut this half into a half. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Here we go. That's looking real good. You want to go ahead and taste it. Make sure you got enough salt. Make sure salt, pepper. Make sure you got it, tasting right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, y'all. I'm good. I'm always good. Add a little bit more dressing because I like French dressing. I'm being extra greedy. Now you want to serve this cold, so once I get this mixed up, I'm gonna put it in the fridge and let it chill for about an hour before we go in. Alright, so it's basically it, y'all. Like real easy recipe. Okay, once you get it done, like I'm done now. All I gotta do is go ahead, throw it in the fridge, wrap it up. Hour is ready to go. And this, like I said, this salad you can have as a side dish for dinner, lunch, barbecue, birthday, whatever, y'all. Feel me? Y'all transfer it to y'all pan or Tupperware, whatever y'all, store in, and you're ready to go. You see that, y'all? Look at that. Oh yeah. And like I said, y'all can use whatever kind of pasta, y'all. Alright, you see that broccoli, you see all that. Alright, so we done, man. Sharing a real easy pasta, pasta salad with y'all, man, real quick. Alright, so, please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification, man, so y'all can keep getting these videos. You feel me? Thanks for watching, man. Keep tuning in, keep coming to the channel, man. Comment. Let me know if y'all tried to make it, how it tastes, how it come out. Y'all added something different, let me know. You feel me? Freestyle cooking with streets, man. Holla.